Guys, it's 4x4 Barbie here, and I'm going to show you guys my new upgrade. It is a locker down console safe. I'm super excited to put it in today. I'm going to be installing it myself, and it's got the electronic lock series, so that's going to hold all my valuables. I've been so excited. Hi, Dad. Like, I've been so excited about it ever since I seen Josh Burnett and Tiffany Burnett have it in their builds, in the Jeep and the Alpha Dolly. So I've been had my eye on this thing for a while now. So I had my dad help me. It's easier if you have two people to do this, to hold one person hold it up. I'm gonna slide my side in. You just put these two little things, there's two little bolts, and then you slide up against this. Yep, pull it up. You're gonna secure the bottom with these self-tapping screws. After you get the 4 screws in, then you tighten these. Alright, so now it's for the fun part. We're gonna put all our valuables in our safe.